If I got two small chicks and a bright pink lips, baby, would you want it to kiss me? Maybe then I'd wait with a bright long hair, baby, would you want it to hold me? No, you never, no, I'm never gonna get them all, yeah, that's what makes me feel lonely. Always never, it can never ever happen to me, cause I'm that girl, tall girly. Boy, I got a small girl fantasy. Baby, would you still love me? Though I got a big love, big voice and big personality, would you guarantee? No, you got a small girl fantasy. Baby, would you still love me? Though I got a big love, big voice and big personality, would you guarantee? Would you guarantee? Would you guarantee?